Hey everybody, Mr. Tannen here. So I was getting some questions about how to change your name for good on Zoom. So you got to go to zoom.us. And at the website, you'll see you may have already been signed in, but you're going to need to sign in there with the account you've been using. So if you didn't create one with your PhilaSD account, you could also create one and you could sign up with your PhilaSD account. You could even sign in with Google, try it that way. But you see here, then I have mine save my info. So once you're able to get in, mine automatically takes me to my meeting page, which is not what I want. So you'll see all my meetings listed here. I'm going to click profile. And it's taking a minute to load. If for some reason my profile picture isn't showing. But if I hit edit, it's going to allow me to change my name. All this other information is optional. I didn't choose to give them any more information about me. But you notice I put he, him in my last name, so that shows up. Then if you hit Save Changes, now whenever you log into Zoom with this account, it should remember that that's your name. So if you have something funky showing up like user, or let's say you have, like some people had different names that weren't theirs, they're showing up. Well, you could do one of two things. You could either log in with the account you're using and change the name, or you can make sure that you have a Zoom account with your PhilaSD email and then start using that. And with that account, you'll be able to change your name. You can see I have mine here with my account, and you can link your Google account, all that. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me on Google Hangouts. Nice working with you all so far this year. Much love to you, and hope this video helps some of you.